Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Play Books login issues, account sync errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Google Play Books, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Check if you can browse other websites or use other apps. If your internet is working, open the Google Play Books app. Try logging out of your account. To do this, go to the menu and select Settings. From there, tap on your account and choose Remove Account. Once you have removed the account, restart your device. After rebooting, open the Google Play Books app again. Tap on Sign In and enter your Google account credentials. If you receive any errors, double-check your email address and password. Ensure that you have the correct login information. If your credentials are correct, check if there are any app updates available. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Books. If an update is available, install it. After the update, try to log in again. If you're still facing issues, clear the app cache. To do this, go to your device's settings. Select Apps or Application Manager, then find Google Play Books. Tap on Storage and select the option to clear cache. After clearing the cache, open the app again and try logging in. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Go back to the Google Play Store, search for Google Play Books, and install it again. Once installed, try logging in again. If you continue to experience errors, check your Google account settings. Make sure there are no security issues or notifications that need your attention. If necessary, try accessing your account through a web browser on a computer. This can help determine if the issue is with the app or your account itself. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance and troubleshoot any persistent problems. Following these steps should help you fix your Google Play Books login issues and resolve any account sync errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.